attracts people from a long way away, and that people come up to us and say, oh, what's this all about?
I suppose the most surprising element about it was just seeing it from way down the road and seeing this big colourful thing.
I've never seen anything like it. It's really interesting.
People are loving the technology because they might not have seen that sort of thing before, with the Kinect responding to their body movements and their voice movements, so they're pretty excited about it.
I think it's very interactive, and the way that the lights and the sparks just flow off your body is just a cool feeling to watch.
It's been vibrant, dynamic, fun. We've had people from all different ages. They've been recording themselves on the broadcast screen. They've been hashtagging Ford Cube and enjoying themselves and having a great time.
Heaps of people have been taking Snapchats and photos of each other and themselves.
People have sort of said, what's this about? And they've gone, oh, Ford, this is actually a great thing to have here. It's just really fun. And I even had like a hug from someone just going, oh, it was so great, thank you.
It screams out adventure. It screams out a younger market, actually. Yeah, heaps of fun.
Very gorgeous. Loving it. It's bright. It's spring.
It's pretty cool for Ford that they did it. You hardly ever see this stuff coming up from companies like Ford, I guess.
It's super cool to see that Ford's doing something so unique. Definitely getting the younger generations involved in an activation like this.
This is totally unexpected. It comes from Ford.